Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys know how much I love connecting with all of you. And today's conversation is something so close to my heart: relationships. Now I am no relationship expert. Believe me, I've been there, done that, bad first dates, cringeworthy moments galore. But over the years, I have learned a few things about what lights people up, makes them feel seen, and leaves them saying, wow, they really get me. So today, we're talking about 7 things women love to hear, but might be too embarrassed to mention. Get ready for some laughs, heartwarming moments, and even a few light bulb realizations. Let's jump right in. 1. You look amazing today. Who doesn't love a good compliment? Hearing, you look amazing today, is like a warm hug for the soul. But it's not just about appearances. It's about feeling seen and appreciated. Ladies, we've all had bad hair days, bloated mornings, and those good old non-speaking feelings. But when someone tells you that you look amazing, well, all of a sudden everything changes and you are back to your winning self. And guys, if you want to make her feel that little bit special, don't hold back. Remember, compliments go both ways. Ladies, let the people you care about know how awesome they are too. A little positivity can work wonders. 2. I appreciate everything you do. This one is huge. Ladies, we juggle a million roles: partners, mothers, daughters, friends, cooks, chauffeurs, therapists, you name it. Sometimes, all that effort can feel invisible. That's why hearing, I appreciate everything you do, can mean the world. It validates all that hard work, care, and love we pour into the lives of those around us. It's like saying, I see you. I value you. I couldn't do this without you. And guys, I get it. You may prefer showing appreciation through actions, and that's wonderful. But pairing it with words? It's like adding whipped cream to a sundae, it just makes it better. 3. You make me a better person. But this one is a total heart melter. Hearing, you make me a better person, is one of the most profound compliments you give to the person. It's not something like loving someone's looks or charm. It's being able to appreciate the way he inspires you toward growth and maturity. This says, your presence in my life pushes me to be my best self. Who would not want that? This is a reminder that love is not about the act of staying with someone, but about becoming one's best because of the other person. If you are single, no worries, you too can work on being your best. Pursue your passion, learn something new, and make the life you desire. The right person will love you for who you are. 4. I love your sense of humor. Laughter is the glue of any great relationship. I love your sense of humor. Tell someone they brighten up your world a little. This is truly magical. Finding someone who understands your jokes, even the terrible ones, means that it's not just about laughing, it's a connection that's going deeper. So, if someone is making you laugh so hard that your side hurts, let them know. And if it's you who happens to be funny, keep them coming. Your efforts are doing one laugh at a time. 5. I trust your judgment. Trust is the cornerstone of any relationship. I trust your judgment isn't just a nice thing to say. It's a vote of confidence in one's ability to navigate life's ups and downs. It says, I believe in you. I respect your decisions. I'm in your corner no matter what. That kind of trust can strengthen any bond. The next time your mate faces a tough choice, remind them you've got their back. 6. You inspire me. The inspiration can strike from anywhere: a book, a beautiful sunset, or even a perfect cup of coffee. But there is nothing quite like drawing inspiration from the people one loves. The idea of you inspire me speaks about those qualities that make someone shine. Whether that is their kindness, ambition, or resilience, let them know how you feel inspired by them to be your best self. 7. I love spending time with you. Life gets busy. Work, responsibilities, and the daily grind can make us forget to slow down and appreciate the people we care about. That's why saying, I love spending time with you is so powerful. It's a reminder that no matter how chaotic things get, The moments you spend with them are what count. Whether it is a quiet night, an exciting date night, or simply sitting in silence, tell them you appreciate it. Final thoughts. So there you have it. All 7 simple, yet meaningful things women love to hear. Compliments, appreciation, trust, and laughter. These little words can make a big difference in any relationship. Have you enjoyed this video? Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Which of the phrases found above resonates most for you? Let me know in the comments. I will be happy to hear your opinion. And remember, life is too short to not spread kindness, love, and positivity. See you next time. Red Heart.